Welcome to my YouTube channel Gamaarz. Today, we get review about compact car vacuum cleaner. Unleash the power of clean with the compact car vacuum cleaner. The compact car vacuum cleaner has become an indispensable tool in my car care arsenal, transforming the daunting task of keeping my vehicle pristine into a quick and efficient endeavor. This pint-sized powerhouse combines portability, robust suction power, and smart design to make car cleaning a breeze. First and foremost, the compact design of this vacuum cleaner is a game-changer for car owners. It fits snugly into tight spaces and comes with a range of attachments that make reaching every nook and cranny a seamless process. The lightweight construction ensures that I can effortlessly carry it from the garage to the car without any hassle, making it a practical solution for those who prioritize convenience. Despite its small size, the suction power of this vacuum cleaner is impressive. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it effortlessly picks up dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris from car interiors. The nozzle attachments are designed for precision, allowing me to target specific areas with ease. From floor mats to upholstery, the compact car vacuum cleaner handles a variety of surfaces with efficiency, leaving my car looking and feeling refreshed. One standout feature is its versatility in power sources. The vacuum can be powered through the car's 12-volt socket, ensuring that I can use it on the go without worrying about running out of battery. For added convenience, some models also come with USB or AC adapters, providing flexibility for use both inside and outside the vehicle. This adaptability makes it an ideal companion for road trips or for those moments when a quick cleanup is necessary. The dustbin capacity of the compact car vacuum cleaner is surprisingly ample given its compact size. The easy-to-empty design minimizes the mess, and the transparent bin allows me to monitor the fill level at a glance. This thoughtful feature ensures that the vacuum maintains its optimal performance without any drop in suction power. Maintenance is a breeze with washable and reusable filters, saving both time and money in the long run. The inclusion of a HEPA filter is a welcome touch, especially for those with allergies, as it effectively captures and retains small particles, providing a cleaner and healthier car environment. While the compact car vacuum cleaner excels in most areas, it's essential to note that, like any portable vacuum, it may not replace the deep cleaning capabilities of larger, household models. For intensive cleaning sessions, occasional visits to a professional car detailing service may still be necessary. In conclusion, the compact car vacuum cleaner has redefined my approach to car cleanliness. Its compact size, powerful suction, and versatile power options make it a must-have for car owners seeking an efficient and convenient cleaning solution. Whether you're a busy commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or simply someone who takes pride in a spotless car, this compact vacuum cleaner delivers on its promise to keep your vehicle looking sharp with minimal effort.